Happy New Year, everybody. Let's go see what Tim's up to. I think he's drunk already. Yep. You drunk, Tim? Tim, are you drunk?
My tummy is a little more than I want it to be, but yes.
So you're drunk?
Very slightly.
How's your stomach?
My stomach hurts like hell, but yes, I'm good.
Well, what is this?
Stop it, you asshole!
Hey, Tim, it's not New Year yet, man. You can't get drunk and crash.
I know that, but my stomach is already 24 over and it hurts.
Your stomach's 24 over and it hurts?
Yes.
Does jumping on the bed help?
A lot. Yes, it really does.
That helps? Okay. So, what do you want to say to people on YouTube? Everybody's here saying hi to you, Tim.
No, they're not, because you'll be overweight by the time 21 comes over.
Yep, he's drunk, folks. He got problems.
I do. It hurts a lot.
What, you're hurting? I thought you said it felt good.
Well, that's what I was told to say.
You were told to say that it feels good?
Eat me, asshole. I'm not playing into your games.
Who told you to say it feels good? Was it like your Uncle Donnie or something? It had to be an uncle, right?
I was just saying it hurts a little more than it's said to be, but it hurts.
What hurts? Happy New Year!
Crafting bullets when you should punch just a little bit harder.
Happy New Year! Shit, I'm sick still, damn it.
When R2-D2 beeps, he should beep just a little bit harder and a little bit louder.
When R2-D2 beeps? Hell yeah. Fucking Star Wars, man.
Get the dog away.
You want to be on camera, babe? No. All right. Well,
So bad.
Happy New Year! Yeah.